Innovation is at the heart of every successful company. It is in the Porsche DNA to think and act in innovative ways, which is part of why our trend-setting sports cars look and drive the way they do today.
The first thing that probably springs to mind when people think of Porsche is our cars and the innovations that take place here. These are very important and keep our products attractive. But innovations go much further than that. There are innovations in business models, in developing completely different customer concept proposals. Additionally, there are innovations in both internal and retail processes geared to the customer.
There are no limits to new ideas. They can be found in digital development with the help of virtual reality systems or artificial intelligence. Innovative measures ensure quality improvement in production. Customers also benefit from digital solutions that go far beyond their vehicle. The list is endless. Innovation is cemented in the fabric of our company, across the entire value chain. It ranges from technical details, rooted deep in the heart of our vehicles, to topics that extend beyond our core business. The important thing is that we look at the entire spectrum and then decide where we can generate added value. An important part of innovation is sustainability. The focus is on achieving net zero CO2 emissions by the year 2030, across both the entire value chain and the life cycle of new vehicles. Digitalization and electrification are further priorities. The entire industry is facing major changes. Innovations here are also key to long-term success.
The goal of our innovation strategy is to be where we are today in 2030. In other words, to offer fascinating vehicles that inspire our customers and to provide an enjoyable place to work.
With holistic innovation management and an intelligent strategy, Porsche can look to the future with confidence.
I believe that we have a unique opportunity here at Porsche because we have a great history. Porsche has 70 years of experience, and I believe that creating our future out of our past is most important.
So that even in another 70 years' time, sports cars made in Zuffenhausen will still be inspiring people.